guys, this is Prachi Desai and I'm with RJ Himani on Let's Think Aloud and Radio Chutney.
All right, let's think aloud and Radio Chutney. You're tuned in with me, Ajay Himani, and I have the very gorgeous Prachi Desai with me, who I have a very, very, very distant connection with. Hi, Prachi.
Ooh, hi, I'd like to know more about that.
So when you signed Kasam Say, I was with Z. And we were so crazy about that show. I think I was 21, 22, or something like that. We were so crazy about that show that the EP who was handling that show, every time the new episode of Kasam Se would come from the production, all of us would leave our desk and flock there while she's taking notes, and we would watch that show and cry, laugh, fall in love with Ram Kapoor, everything.
I know all about this and it is just so sweet. I know how with bated breath you all waited for our show. I think, Z and we have some connection, right?
Yeah. That was an epic show.
So, well,
Absolutely. So it's lovely talking to you. And of course, from then on, you have done fabulous work. You have gone from strength to strength. We've seen so many of your films, movies, character roles, everything. But I have to be very honest with you, Prachi, because I have seen you from the beginning. Inspector Sanjana Bhatia, right? With Manoj Bajpayee. But Prachi, I want to know that before we get into the Originals film Silence the Night Owl Bar Shootout, we don't see a lot of you. Like जितना हम देखना चाहेंगे प्राची को bang 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 bang, we suddenly see you and then we suddenly don't see you. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Consciously कर रहे हो या होते जा रहा है?
oh, that's really nice of you to say. It's very heartening to know that you want to see more of me.
Ah,
And I promise I will put in my best so that you can, connect with me more often, just like this. Well, I am kind of selective about my films. I have this thing where I feel like if there is a role like a character in a film which is impactful, then
yeah.
that really interests or excites me.
Hmm.
But if it's not creating a sort of an impact in the story, then I think, yeah, I take my time to kind of choose. So,
Right.
but I have to tell you that in the last couple of years, I have, taken my, fans and audiences' complaint into absolute consideration, and there's a lot that I've done. Well, this is my second with, Z5 Global. This is Silence 2. So there you go. You already have two films to watch. There's also Forensic on the same platform, and there's
Okay.
another series, and then there's another album. All of that. So you guys, I'm doing this.
Fantastic. Very nice, very nice. We're so looking forward to this. Now, let's talk about your character from this Silence to the film on Z5 Global. Talk to us about Sanjana Bhatia. I saw the trailer. Of course, it's an intense thriller, mystery, all of that. What does Sanjana Bhatia do in the series, in the film?
Um, well, we belong to the Special Crime Unit, and
Hmm.
we are specially brought in, on the request of the orders of ACP Avinash because he's investigating a specific case, and
Yeah.
he says that these are the people that I want in my team, and that's how Sanjana, Amit, and Raj come in. In the first film, of course, it was our first case with him, so you kind of see us in that new team or new territory, and there is that respect, awkwardness, and apprehension, and all of that happening. In the
Yeah.
second installment, I mean, off the sets, we've really made friends for life. You kind of
Hmm.
see that bond and equation and all of that reflect in the roles, because even as a team, we've grown stronger. We've possibly already worked on so many cases together. It's just that now the audience is joining us on this particular one. Um, this time the case is larger, bigger, so much more to do. So I feel like from then to now, um, it is an unsaid thing, but I feel like there is this slight maturity that I do see in Sanjana and all of the team members, and that's very nice. It's we're kind of growing, and you see that reflect in us, in our demeanors. Besides, this time we really have no time to breathe. There are too many murders in this film. We're on our toes throughout, and yeah, Sanjana has so much to do. Amit is eating lesser vada pavs this time.
Ah,
ACB Avinash is angrier because
okay.
there's so much happening.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
where we are at.
Fantastic. I love the way you put it. Matlab, you created so much more interest now that
I mean, I just couldn't put it better that there are that many dead bodies dropping.
okay. Do you enjoy crime thrillers, or do you like more like the softer side of you? Because when you become demure and when you play softer characters, there's a very different Prachi that we get to see, which is also very sultry and nice and cute. Which one do you enjoy more?
Ooh, I think I enjoy both for sure.
Mm.
Um, but I know exactly what you're saying. I think there is something that reflects on the face, which kind of then comes through in certain roles. And I guess at the end of the day, yeah, that is what people connect with you for. I do love those roles as much as these, and in fact, that makes me think of I do love this genre so much. Mysteries and murder and whodunits and horror actually is my favorite genre. A love story, I think,
Okay.
is something that I really, really want to or would love to do because that's something I haven't done.
Yeah, yeah, fab. Talking about this film, I was wondering when I saw the trailer, was this, although you've done stuff yourself and you have done it very well, do you think when you do a film with Manoj Bajpayee and the cast and this kind of, is it like a master class, that entire shooting series? Do you think that I am in this master class where I'm getting to learn and unlearn so much that I already know with these kind of actors?
Oh my God, absolutely. In fact, watching and just observing Manoj sir, I have to tell you that whenever he's doing his solo scenes, I make it a point to go to the monitor just to watch him. Um, but that's not the only time when I'm in awe and watching him and observing him. Even, sometimes when he's saying dialogues to us, to the
Hmm.
team, I'm watching and then I forget that I'm supposed to react or say my dialogue just because I'm like, wow, this man and his performance. That's the kind of impact or effect that he has, and he is like an institution in acting.
I
But a tireless man, I have to tell you, he works incredibly hard. That's something I've taken back from him for sure. That after all of this experience and an n number of films to his credit, he still preps and prepares and works so hard before every scene. He makes sure that he's taking his few minutes to prepare and prep for the scene, and he does a thorough preparation, like a process of preparation before starting any film. Um, that just reminds you, that you have to be on your toes the whole time. Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Prachi. All the best to you. And like you promised, we need to see more of you and lots of you.
Oh, and that was very interesting what you told me about. It brought back so many memories. Lots of love to
Yeah.
you.
Lots of love. Take care. Bye bye.